Hi everyone! Today we'll guide you through the process of authenticating your email in MailerLite. If you're new to MailerLite, check out the free trial link in the description. If you're already a user, just log in and follow along with us. First, click on Account Settings, then select Domain. On the right side, you'll find an Add Domain button. Click it and enter your domain name. Click the button to authenticate your domain. After that, copy the provided CNAME and TXT values and paste them into your website's DNS settings. Once you see the message, DNS record created successfully, refresh your page and your domain will be authenticated. And if you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thank you for being a loyal viewer of our videos.